tomato. Please don't you touch me tomato. Touch me yummy pumpkin potato. For goodness sake, don't touch me tomato. Touch me this, you touch me that. Touch me everything I've got. Touch me plum and me apple too. Here's one thing you just can't do. All you do is feel 'em, feel 'em. Ain't you tired of the feel 'em, feel 'em? All you do is squeeze 'em, man. Ain't you tired of the squeeze 'em, squeeze 'em? Please, mister, don't touch me tomato. Please don't you touch me tomato.
My name is Edu Navarro, and I'm the current chair for the Seed Library of Los Angeles. The Seed Library of Los Angeles was started by David King about 7 years ago, and I took over for him last year, March of 2017. And our goal is to basically support gardeners grow from seed, especially open pollinated heirloom varieties. We like to try to focus on varieties that in many cases are almost extinct. Our first branch was in Venice, which meets on the third Saturday of the month. After I took over, I wanted to make sure that we were in other parts of the city. So I made sure that we're now in Woodland Hills on the second Saturday of the month at the Woodland Hills Public Library from 9:30 to 11:30. We're also at the Altadena Public Library on the first Saturday of the month from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. On the third Saturday we're in Venice, like I said. On the fourth Friday we're in Encino, which is the second branch after Venice. And now this is our soft opening for the South Los Angeles. We're in Willowbrook, and Willowbrook is a small community nested between Watts and Compton, and it's been really underserved for a really long time. And we were very fortunate to be asked by Charles River University to come in and partner up with them to actually start a branch here at the university. They're giving us access to a library to do presentations. They're giving us access to the current garden to do gardening projects and help support the garden. Also do composting workshops and other gardening related workshops. So today it's a simple soft opening. We had just a couple minutes ago about 15 of the students that came by from the nursing school. They took home produce, they took home seeds, and we're just here just basically meet the community and support it, and then we'll see where it goes. Always looking for volunteers, especially librarians. One of the biggest tasks is keeping our library organized and updated. So we're always looking for people to come in, help us organize the library, help us to make sure that the inventory is correct, help fill orders, help maybe with research, sometimes doing a little bit of research on a particular type of crop that we're looking to grow out and make sure that it's that's in our inventory, because it might be very important, especially if it's an older variety that might be becoming extinct. We also need help with promoting our mission via the web, on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and just getting the word out. Also organizing speakers, or just helping set up and take down after each meeting. There's never a dull moment when we have our meetings, so we're always happy to have people come out and have fun with us and just enjoy, some time and grow our community. So given that this community has really been underserved for such a long time, just to give you an example, what I mean is that they hadn't had a farmer's market until this year.
Wow.
So in Santa Monica, for example, it's a farmer's market 3 times a week. Here, and just until this year they started a farmer's market across the street across the street from the Martin Luther King Jr. Community Hospital, and they have a farmer's market there every Wednesday. And so that just goes to show you how underserved they have been. So we're hoping to basically partner up with the university and just provide organic gardening practices, education and seed saving education, and share the produce that we glean from farmers market and community gardens and people's backyards. So this, like I said, this week we have a bunch of purple beans that we're giving away, squash, nopales, just things that we were to get from the farmers market on Wednesday.
Cool.